Hello everyone, my name is Sashmishri and welcome to my channel Shashmi's World. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on how to get a glamorous look using mostly drugstore products, and it's a very beginners friendly makeup tutorial. For those who are planning to start their makeup journey, and I know all the products can be a lot overwhelming, don't worry. Today I'll try to help you out in deciding which product is better and how to use those products. There are some tips and tricks for all those contouring, nose contouring, so keep on watching. And for all my Oria viewers, very happy Roger, and you can sport this look on Roger and channel your inner fashionista. So keep watching. I've already moisturized my face, and for primer today I'm using the e.l.f. Radiant Primer. It's a very glowy primer and you will see how it instantly makes your face more radiant. I'll dot it all across my face and then massage it into my face. For foundation, I'll be using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Foundation. I'll place the foundation, in a dotted manner on my face, and then using a flat kabuki brush, I'll blend the foundation on my face. So you can use a sponge to blend. If you are using a brush, then always remember to blend the foundation in downward direction. Because if you do it in circular motion or in upward direction, then the brush tends to leave streak marks on your face and it doesn't look good. But if you do it in downward direction, it gives a good finish to your foundation. For concealer, I am using the NYX concealer. This concealer is a bit heavy, so normally what I do is I use my finger in blending out the product on my eye and on my dark circles. So I'll blend it using my finger first and then I'll move on to the kabuki brush. While applying concealer on your dark circle, always look upward, and that way it doesn't crease. Immediately after applying your concealer, apply a loose powder under your eye so that the concealer doesn't crease and it looks flawless. So for loose powder, today I am using Maybelline loose powder in the shade 20. First I'll apply it and remove any crease if there's any, and then I'll apply some excess powder under my eyes. For contouring, I'm using the Physician Formula's contour palette. So if you are new to contouring and you don't know where basically your contour goes, then smile and put the spoon just down the apple of your cheeks. That way you know where your contour should go, and keep the spoon parallel to your earlobes. So the line which is parallel is where your contour goes. Contouring, I'll just make a duck face, and I know where my contouring goes according to my face structure. So I'll first put the powder over there and then I'll take the bronzing powder from the palette and put it in my hairline. Doing this will bring back some color to my face and it will define the structure of my face. And then I'll start blending all those colors so that it blends well and doesn't look muddy or patchy. I'll apply some contouring powder onto my lower jawline also, so as to give an illusion of not having a double chin. For the nose contouring, I never do nose contouring because I can never do a straight line. And if you're like me, then use a fork and put it on your nose, and to the outer edges, draw two straight lines. You can see my nose is all well defined. Never forget to join your eyebrows and the contour on your nose. This gives a more chisel look to your nose and to your face. Your nose looks more well defined, and it gives a different look. Now what I'll do is, using a fluffier brush, I'll start blending it out. If you are thinking that the brush is not giving all that blended look, go ahead and use your finger and blend it out properly. Now for blush, I'm using Note Blush in the shade Desert Rose. It's a very nice color, I like it a lot. I'll smile and I'll start applying the blush a little away from apples of my cheek. What this does is, it gives the illusion that your face is all lifted and it looks beautiful. With the foundation brush, I'll start blending it out. Remember, blending is very important. For highlighter, today I'm using the Artist Couture highlighter. Basically, I use Maybelline Rose Gold highlighter, but today I thought of using this Artist Couture loose highlighter powder. I'll use it on the high points of my face. That's on my cheekbone, on bridge of my nose. For eyeshadow, I have two options. You can use the NYX Quad or you can use Wet n Wild. Today I'll be using the Wet n Wild Rose in Air palette. I'll basically take that pink color and apply it on my crease and blend it properly. I'll do this step twice as to bring out the pigment in the color, and then taking a fluffier brush, I'll blend it out. Now taking the dark brown shade, I'll apply it onto the area where we apply our eyeliner, forming a V shape with the pink color which we have already applied. Now taking a blending brush, I'll start blending the brown color into the pink color. You can blend using wiper motion or circular motion. For eyelids, you can use the light shimmery shade from the palette. I wanted to use a liquid shadow, so I have two options, one from Essence and another is the Seattle London Eyelasher thing which I got in BoxyCharm, so I thought of using it today for this look. So taking the shadow, I'll apply directly with the applicator itself, first on my eyelid, and then I'll blend it using a brush. Now taking a brush, I'm blending it along the edges and also on my eyelid so as to take away any excess product. Now taking the same pink and brown shade which I used on my crease and outer corner, I'll apply it on my lower lash line. This method will ensure that your eyes looks lifted and it gives a finished look to your eye makeup. So don't forget to put eyeshadow on your lower lash line. I'll deepen the edges by using the same brown color which I used for my outer edges. And now I'll dust off the excess powder which I had applied under my eyes. Now taking the light shade from the palette, I'll apply it onto my inner corners. For eyeliner, you can use liquid eyeliner. Today I'm using Maybelline gel liner. First I'll do a wing on both my eyes. This process, if you do in this method, then the wings will look identical. If you complete one eye and then go to another eye, there's a lot of chance, if you're starting new in makeup, there's a lot of chances that both the eyeliner won't match. So what I do is basically first I carve out the wings on both my eyes and then join it with the rest of the eyeliner. After eyeliner, I'll use eye pencil. You can use a black kajal. Today I'll be using this NYX Off Tropic eyeliner in pink. This is my first time I'm using it. So I swatched it on my hand and you won't believe that swatch was smudge proof all through the day, and in the night I had to remove it using a makeup remover wipe. So this is very nice and pigmented and doesn't smudge. So I applied it on my lower lash line. It's my waterline. And I'll tightline my eyes using a black kajal. Now to finish off my eye makeup, I'll take that highlighter powder and apply it on my brow bone. Now to set all the makeup which we have done, I'm using MAC Fix Plus. You can use ELF setting spray or NYX setting spray. Setting spray, what usually does it is it blends all the product which you have used till now and makes it look more flawless and seamless. For mascara, I'm using Benefits Roller Lash Mascara. You can use any drugstore mascara which you have. I didn't use any drugstore product here because I am on a mission that I'll finish off all the opened mascaras first before touching any new mascara. So I will apply the mascara on my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes. For my eyebrows, it's well groomed, so I didn't do anything. I just took a spoolie brush and comb my eyebrow so that if there's any powder products, that will get away with the spoolie brush. For lipstick, today I'm using Colourpop's lipstick in Ultra Blotted Lips and the shade is Doozy. These lipsticks are very comfortable. They are kiss proof and they don't leave stain, so it's very nice and it's very comfortable on lips. I like this color a lot. So this is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this look, and if you plan to do this look, then do tag me and like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hope I'll see you soon in my next video. Take care, bye, and happy Raja to all my audio viewers.